something or another Kia Soul, and about forgot to grab my camera again. Anyway, that's one of the old brake pads, but there's an interesting case of the rust jacking going on, and just like jacking up a house down here, it pushes up on a pad, and up here it pushes down a pad right here where this little contact points is. I'll take care of it. However, the lining has come off of the pad. I'll get it off there here in a minute and show you. But yeah, it's rust jacking. That thing's seized in there tight. Let me see if I can. Come on, go. Yeah. Let me get a hammer or something. Well, there it went. I poked my chisel right through the backside as soon as or pry bar through the backside as soon as I set my camera down. There's that brake shoe lining, but the pad's still stuck. Rust. Yeah, come on. Let me fight with this both hands. Alright, right down in there. Oh, focus. Yeah, right down in there. That's where that rust jacking goes on. I'll get that wire brushed real good. That one there don't look too bad. That one's awful. See there? Let's get them shined up. Then I'll put a real light coating of this stuff on there. Just a super light coating keeps it from happening again. Pretty much the same thing over here on this side. But I'll right there back together and take her for a little test run.